Learn the next topic in a grammar book is article. So article has there are three articles, that is a, and the. In your syllabus a and an is been there, so let us learn what is being called a and an. Since a and an do not point out any definite person or thing, they are called as indefinite articles. Okay, and a and an means one, so we use them with a singular countable names. A is used before a single noun beginning from a consonant sound. Means consonant sound, as you know, vowels, right? The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are the rest all words or the letters, the sound of letters except the vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. Before such kind of sounds we use A. Okay, for example, you can see here book. B sound, a B sound is not considered as vowel, so in before that we will write A. Frog also F. We don't use A here, an here, because it is not an vowel. Car, lemon, dog, trunk. So in before the consonant sounds we use A, and wherever the vowel sounds are being used like A, E, I, O, U, so there we write an. Okay, that this you have to keep in your mind, as well as the sound of H letter from beginning, for example R. So if such kind of H words are there, then also an is being used. Okay, H is what? A consonant. Then also before this R or the sound of H, whenever it is there in the beginning of the letter or the word, there we use an. As well as the U at the beginning of university sounds like U. So here also we use A as well as an. Here it is being given that uncle, U is what? Vowel sound, right? So here we should use an, but here U, YOU is being considered as first, so here we use A only. Okay. So this you have to remember, that whenever the H sound comes first, then also it is being considered as vowel, and here we write an here. Okay. So now you understood where to use A and where to use an. So let us see, take out your textbook and the page number 4. Here down a question is being given. See, choose A or an correctly and fill the blanks. So here see, dash earthen pot. E is being given, E is vowel, so here we will write an. Dash cow. So it is not an vowel, so here we will write A. Dash jar. What will come? A jar. Dash sister. A sister. Dash stout stick is A. Dash lovely field, it is A. A lovely field. Dash eyebrows, E is vowel, so here we will write an eyebrow. So now let us see the plural forms also. In plural forms, what you have to add is S. You have to add it end. Cow is given, so we will write cows. Pot, pots. Jar, jars. Sister, sisters. Market, markets. Drop, drops. Stick, sticks. Corner, corners. Field, fields. Cucumber, cucumbers. So like this you have to add S at the end. And this you are going to write in your grammar part of your English notebook. Okay. Topic in a grammar book is parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Let us see what are the 8 parts of speeches. Noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. But in your unit test portion there are only 3, that is noun, verb and adjective. So now today we are going to learn about only 3. Students, let us see what is being called as noun. The names of all the persons, places or things are called as noun. For example, you can see in this picture the Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev is a noun. Fish, lotus, Taj Mahal. So whatever the names are being given of person, place or a thing are being considered as noun. Next one, that is adjective. So an adjective is describing the word. It is used to add something to the meaning of a noun. For example, it tells us the quality of a person. Or if we are telling she is very cute, so the quality of that girl or a person is, we are telling with the word cute. So whatever the describing word or the word which tells the quality of a person, such kind of words are being called as adjective. For example, here the example is being given. See, Nitin was very poor. How the Nitin is poor? So poor is describing the about Nitin. So this word is being considered as adjective. All the students are naughty. So we are considering all the students are naughty. The quality of the students are naughty. So the naughty is being considered as adjective. Let us see the next. Verb. A verb is a word which says something about a person, place or thing. Sachin means what? Whatever the doing words, the action words are being considered as verb. For example, a girl is playing. So what the girl is doing? Playing. So playing will be what? Verb. So let us see the example which is given here. Sachin plays cricket. So what the Sachin is doing? Plays. So plays will be what? Verb. The peon is ringing the bell. What the peon is doing? Ringing the bell. Who broke this mirror? What is being done in the sentences? The mirror is being broken. So broke will be what? Verb. She goes to the market. What she is doing? She is going somewhere. So goes will be what? The verb. Now students, let us see how to underline. Or the first question is given is, underline the noun in the following sentence. So here what you have to do is you have to underline the noun here. Let us read the first question. What is being given is, the cow gives us milk. Who gives milk here? Cow. So cow will be what? The noun. Okay. So here in the second question, my uncle brings me a gift. Now tell me, who brings milk? The person's name is what? Identified as uncle. So uncle will be what? The noun. Let us see the noun as Mericula was working. So the girl's name is being given as Mericula. So Mericula will be noun here. Helena wanted to get red apples from the forest. So here the name has been given, that is Helena. So Helena will be what? Noun. Let us see here. Germany was very sure of its victory. So here the place name is given, that is Germany. So Germany will be what? The noun. Now students, here we are going to identify the verb. Underline the verbs in the following sentence. So the first example is been given. What is verb? Tell me first, what is verb? The verb is what? The action words or the doing words. For example, if any person is doing something in the sentence, so that word is being considered as verb. So let us see the first example, that is, it rained heavily. So in the first example, what is being done? That is what? The rain is falling. So the rain will be what? The verb. So let us see the second one. The match started exactly at 11 a.m. So when the match has started? 11 a.m. So what is being started? Started will be what here? The verb. Let us see. The German had adopted a novel strategy. What they have done? They have adopted something. So adopted will be what? Verb. Here the Indian team, right? The Indian team was offering a strong resistance. What they are? They are showing a strong resistance that they are going to win. So, offering means showing something. So, that is also, offering is also being considered as verb. The Indian team found a firm footing. What they have thought, they have found something. So, found is also is what? A action word. So found is being considered as verb. So in the first one to the fifth, we have understood the verb, the word verb in the sentence. Okay, and the first question we have understood the noun, what is being called as noun. Okay, so now in this question we are going to understand and how to underline the adjective. First, before starting to understand the questions, let us see what is being called as adjective. As I have explained you what is being called as adjective. Adjective is what? The describing word or about a person or a thing. If any quality is being given about a person or a thing or anything, so it is being called as adjective. For example, the first one, see, Mansi is a beautiful girl. How that girl is beautiful. So beautiful will be what? The adjective. Mr. Verma is an honest man. How the man is? Man is honest. So honest will be what? The adjective. Let us see. The Tanu has a nice doll. The doll is, how the doll is? Nice. So nice will be what? Adjective. The cow has 4 legs. So the cow is having how many legs? 4 legs. The quality is been given by identifying 4. Amar has a black belt. So which belt he is having? Black. So it is showing that he is having a black belt. The quality of that belt is been given here. So the adjective will be what? Black. So now we have understood what is being called as adjective, how to identify the adjective in the sentence.